Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will breaking our usuals, data structures, routines to talk about an AI tool that can actually save your hours on your project, reports, your PPT and even your DSA notes, right? So it's called a Napkin AI, right? By the end of this video, you will know exactly what it does, how to use it, and where it actually helps you as a CS student. Let's get it into it, right? So this is the Napkin AI, and we just in that we just write the prompt and generate a diagram. See what happening there, right? So here the problem everyone of yours has faced. You write your project report and it looks uh, something like this, right? Your project, and that means simple text. But point at the left, the system follows a client server architecture where the client sends a request to the server which validates it, queries the database, right? And so on. Technically correct. Nobody wants to read it. Not your evaluators, not you 6 months later, right? Now look at the same idea on the right, correct? Client server database response one clean flow, there is no flow. That's different a diagram makes, and that's exactly the gap between Napkin AI. Got it? So here is the basically the part is, here we can write the all the text like this, but if I can use the Napkin AI, the visualizations is looks like this, correct? So what is it basically, what exactly it is? So Napkin AI is a text, right? Text to visual AI tool. You paste your text in it and it reads the structure to figure out what usual fits. You don't even need to write prompt. Got it? If you give it a list of steps, it becomes a flowchart. If you give it two things to compare, it becomes a comparison tables. And if you gives it a bunch of relations, it will, that means it's turned into the mind map, right? So I just give you the quick information, like this is the Napkin AI. You just have to log in at the Napkin AI. I will put this link in the descriptions. Now there is the prompt. I will also put the prompt in that. Now I just go here and simple I just paste here. After the pasting I just click this visualizations, and if I click this visualizations, you can see it will generate the image. You can see the image looks cool. Now here we can select the multiple image, which image is the perfect set for me, so I can just go on that. Now I just change the colors like this, like this, like this, like this. We can different color chooses. I go on that, so you can see this is the visualizations. It will change the Napkin AI. When you just put the prompt, it will give you the system, that means a proper flow chart of that, right? So this is, now I just here, and that is how it works. It workings step 1. The step 1 is paste your text, right? Paste your text. Could you, could be your notes, a paragraph for your report. You just bullet point, no special formatting needed. You see here, I paste anything here, simple text, nothing any bullet points here, right? And then it will respond like this type of image, simple. Yes. Now step 2, the AI generates multiple layouts options. This is important. It does not force one diagram on you. It will, you see, when I just give this, then there is a multiple of the diagrams and we can choose any of that, right? So this is the 2. Second option is we can edit and export, change colors, tweak icons, adjust fonts, and export it PNG, SVG, PDF. That's all we have. I just click here, click on the export visuals, we can directly export this, right? So this is correct. Now output types, what it can actually draw for you. It actually draw the flowchart, mind maps, comparison tables, correct, timelines and process diagrams, correct it, and infographics. That covers basically every visuals you need for a college submissions or a technical presentation. You can use everywhere. Got it? Now just come in here, how it is help in our decision. Yeah, that is the important thing. So use case 1, what is the use case 1 is DSA and algorithms explanations, right? Here, paste in your algorithms steps, right? I just paste the steps of our BFS, got it? Something like BFS. I also visit nodes, mark visited, enqueue neighbors, repeat, and you instantly get a flowchart perfect for your notes. If you have to submit in your college presentation, you can just put it down. Then that professors and anyone can analyze. You have the good knowledge about that, right? So this is the first. Second use case, project report and documentation. Got it? This is probably where it keeps the most your system architecture, your SDLC diagram, your methodology section. Instead of a wall of text, drop it into Napkin, get a diagram, export and the PNG and PDF. That is second. Third is presentation and viva slides. Got it? So here is no more manual dragging boxes and arrows in PowerPoint. The night before your Viva, get multiple layouts options and just pick what fits, and then you just place it here, right? So this is, now I just come on the, so here this is the dishes, right? This is the project documentations. If we have to, that means just project and documentation, then we can use this. The third use case is like we just go in the presentation and the viva slides. That's all. Also we can use in the placement preparations. Why? Turn a company's hiring process into a timelines or a visual comparisons, like arrays versus linked list, TCS versus UDP, grid for the quick revisions, right? And for us explaining the resume projects in interview. So for that reason, we can also use this Napkin AI. Got it? So what is the pricing of this? So in that there is a free planning, right? You give the weekly AI credits, access to a multiple diagrams, styles. The only catch is export are branded. Meanwhile, a small napkin watermark. You can see a small watermark in the Napkin AI, right? And if you go to the pro plan, there is no any watermark. There is a multiples of credits, and it will export your PPT and custom brands. This all his gives. What is the pros and cons? The pros is very simple. It's fast. You get a diagram in under a minute. Zero, that means zero design skill required, right? And the free tier is generally usable and it export to every format you need it. Correct? What is the cons? You can't directly tell it, give me a flowchart. It just pick from what it thinks fits. It does not work with live data or spreadsheet. That means pure text only. It's not a full design tool like Canva and editing. This not like this, right? So this is right. So that's the Napkin AI. Simple. A tool that genuinely wrought, that means worth trying before your next report submissions or your next Viva presentations. I will give the link in the descriptions. Free plan is enough to test it out today. If this kind of AI tools for the students content is useful, let me know in the comment. I will got a few more of these lined up. Keep learning, keep coding. See you in the next video. Thank you so much guys.